Lahat.
Okay. We are unboxing now. DAV DZ650 home theater by Sony. Powered by HDMI, Bluetooth, USB, 1000 watts. Powered by Kareoke also. And multimedia.
Umuwi ka na. Hindi binibigyan. Umuwi ka na. Pinapawi ka na.
Home by Francis Cabelan.
Patid ng ambulansya.
Yala.
Patigilin niya ng ambulansya sa harapan ng emergency. Babasa, uwi na yan.
Pawi mo na yan.
Maghanap ng 10 gram.
Maghanap yan. Pawi mo na yan kasi hindi binibigyan ng doktor.
Saka yung si ano ngayon, police kiss na. Yung payat na si Jordan yan ba yun?
Oo, wala na yun.
Kaya nag-stress sa kamay. Dati, kada ta siya ngayon, bukas hindi. Sunod na gabi, ganda na naman.
Pansinin mo.
Ayan.
Agong yan. Ayan pa.
Okay. Unboxing brand new. DBZ 650 home theater by Sony. Reminder, it's a 5.1 channel. We have a
Dito muna kayo.
DVD remote.
Ang balusin
Battery.
ko.
Extra cord, HDMI cable.
Lagi lang tayo dyan.
Oo. Umiga ka na.
Plate for the stand. Clip to? Yeah, stand for the tower boy. Aywa. User's manual also included. Oh my god. This is the player. That is your Twitter. Okay. Look at that. Oh, Twitter. Complete details.
Wala siyang mantika.
Si Lodi nandito. Okay.
Mantika ba?
Tuloy-tuloy na to. Pampasko. Tol. Tuloy na yan. Dito siya. This is your center speaker.
Toyo suka lang yun. Tuloy na ba yan?
Tuloy New Year until New Year
Aywa.
celebration.
Center speaker. Okay.
Ano na yun?
Activities sa gabi.
And then this is the player.
Buksan ko
Oh
to?
my god.
Oh my God.
Ang takslak ka.
Aywa. Sony. The button.
Napalad ka.
Mic.
Slim and skinny.
USB port. Oh my god. Too much shiny. Oh, Bluetooth. Dolby. Okay. Backside. There is an optional for jack cable. Of course, HDMI. And then antenna. No, he will take the tower boy.
Sa tower boy.
Tall boy. Tama din.
Tarak sa dila eh.
By Francis Cabelan, alias Lodi, with 24K.
Masaya lang.
Ha? May papa yan. Huwag ang buksan lahat. Marami yan.
Apat pala to.
Subwoofer. Hindi, pa yung dalawa. Ayun pa niya.
Ito pa niya.
Oh. This is the legs of that tower boy. And then
Na yan.
the plate for the legs, this the one. It will be like this.
This is it. May leaks pa pala.
And now, finally, this is the bass. Subwoofer. Powered by 1000 watts. My God, too much heavy, huh?
Too much heavy.
It's made by quality wood. We don't know what kind of wood. It's just quality.
Eh!
Super wood.
Takay ka muna dyan oh. Bibi ka magong. Ah.
You need to try out this one first.
This is my price.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, my friend.
God, no chaser. See? Like Americans.
Pagsalita.
Sorry. Okay, let's go. Pakilala ka, tol. Tapusin ko na.
Thanks for watching, guys. Advance Merry Christmas
Yan.
for 2018 and advance Happy New Year for coming 2000.
This is our double cards.
Eh!
And then one more tattoo boy.
Including mo
Yan.
dyan.